Welcome to One More Guru. In this guide, I'll show you how to set up and use a personal hotspot on an AT&T iPhone. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Personal Hotspot. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure the Personal Hotspot feature is turned on. Once it's enabled, you'll see several connection options available. Other devices can connect to your iPhone just like they would to any standard Wi-Fi network. You also have the option to connect using Bluetooth by pairing your iPhone with your computer. Simply tap Pair, then enter the pairing code that appears on your computer screen. Another option is to connect via USB. Just plug your iPhone into your computer and select the iPhone from the list of available network services in your computer's settings. Overall, the easiest way to use your AT&T mobile data as a personal hotspot is by enabling it through your iPhone's settings and allowing devices to connect over Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching One More Guru. I hope this helped. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more helpful tutorials.